Maintaining healthy kidneys is essential for overall well-being. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, helping to keep your body balanced and functioning properly. Eating a diet rich in certain fruits can help detoxify the kidneys and prevent kidney-related issues. Here are the top 3 fruits that have been known to detoxify kidneys and even prevent the need for dialysis. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are small, red berries that are packed with health benefits, particularly for the urinary tract and kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants and contain a compound called proanthocyanidins, which helps prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if left untreated, can lead to kidney infections. Cranberries also help in preventing the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits that form in the kidneys and can cause severe pain and complications. Drinking pure cranberry juice or eating fresh cranberries can help keep your urinary system clean and reduce the risk of kidney stones. To include cranberries in your diet, you can drink unsweetened cranberry juice or add fresh or dried cranberries to salads, cereals, or snacks. Be cautious of cranberry products with added sugars, as excessive sugar can negatively impact kidney health. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are another powerhouse fruit when it comes to kidney health. These small blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. Antioxidants help protect the kidneys by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage kidney cells. Blueberries also have anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Chronic inflammation can damage the kidneys over time, leading to conditions like chronic kidney disease, CKD. By reducing inflammation, blueberries help protect the kidneys from long-term damage. In addition to their kidney protective benefits, blueberries can also help lower blood pressure, which is important because high blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease. You can enjoy blueberries fresh or frozen, add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, or eat them as a healthy snack. 3. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits, and for good reason. They are not only delicious but also offer numerous health benefits, including promoting kidney health. Apples are high in soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which helps lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. By reducing cholesterol and blood sugar, apples help ease the workload on the kidneys, which is important for preventing kidney damage. The antioxidants in apples also help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. This can protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the development of kidney disease. Additionally, apples are low in potassium, making them a good fruit choice for people with kidney disease who need to manage their potassium intake. You can eat apples fresh with the skin on to get the most fiber and nutrients, or you can add them to salads, bake them, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Conclusion: incorporating these 3 fruits, cranberries, blueberries, and apples, into your diet can have a positive impact on your kidney health. They offer a natural way to detoxify the kidneys, reduce the risk of kidney stones, lower blood pressure, and protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. By maintaining healthy kidneys, you can prevent the need for dialysis and support your overall health. Remember, alongside these fruits, it's essential to drink plenty of water and maintain a balanced diet to keep your kidneys functioning optimally.